Hi there, welcome to this session. In this session I would like to tell you how to create contact page by using plugin. So see, to create a contact page we need to create we need to use some plugins only. Those to create contact form we can use WordPress contact contact form 7 plugin and WordPress gravity contact form is there, and UFO form builder is there, and so some other WP contact is there. Okay, WP contact form. So I would like to use this plugin only. So let we come and see how we can customize that one. Open contact page. There you can see like this. We couldn't inserted any feedback form. For that we need to assign some plugin. Right now we are using this WP contact form. So just come into this plugin section. Just click on that one. What is happening is you will redirect into plugins repository. There we need to install WP contact form. So first we will search for that plugin WP contact form. WP contact form, hit on that one. So you will see the search result. There we can pick, this is the form whatever we use. WP contact form is there. It is very easy to use, and this one also, one of the contact form 7 is there. So we will use these forms. Just install this one. It will be installed into our WordPress. After installation, what we need to do is we need to activate that plugin. Then we can able to create some forms for our website. So after that what we need to do is we need to activate this one. So after activating we can use this plugin into our contact form. So that here you can see the dashboard. It seems to be like this. So after installation the plugin, you can see WP form is there. Click on that one, then you can see multiple options is there to create our feedback form. Okay, what is the uses of WP forms? See, here in this WP forms, there we can use multiple fields. Okay, so not only username, not only mobile number, email ID, comments, but we can also insert some upload fields also. Those are the nothing but very advanced features in our feedback form. Even though by using our feedback form, nothing but contact page, contact form, there we may also use some payment gateway integration. Okay, by using this plugin we can also collect some payments in our contact form also. That much of capacity this WP forms plugins had. Okay, so let me see how we can do that. Just click on this one, add new one, then you will redirect into another page. There we can insert some fields. Fields is nothing but input fields we need to insert, then we need to customize everything. So you will redirect into setup page. There you can see select a template. By default WP forms provides some templates also. This is blank form, and simple contact form is there. Newsletter contact sign up form is there. Suggestions form are there. You can use and you can do practice. If you get any doubts, please ping me on these messages, so I will reply you. So just click on this. I will use this create blank form, so I will click that one, then it will redirect into fields section. Okay, so see, it seems to be like this. it seems to be like this. What we need to do is add fields, field options. After installation the fields, what we need to do is need to adjust field options, means field name and some other options we need to integrate in this section. So see here, you can see standard fields also be there, and fancy fields also be there, and payment fields also be there. These fancy and payment fields are high hidden, because these fields are available in pro version only, means we need to purchase paid version. By default you can use the standard fields for free of cost. So I will do some contact form by using the standard fields. Just I would like to assign single line, just I click that one, then it will added like this. Okay, so sorry, I clicked twice, that's why it inserted like this. And I would like to insert mobile number also. Just click on that, double click there, that's why it was happen twice. And I will use email also, and I need some paragraph also. Just click on that paragraph, then you can see this one. So I inserted 4 more fields only. If I want to change the label name, just click on that, field options is there, single line text is there, and single line text is there. There I will change some label name as customer name, your name. So description tells about please enter your full name. Here you can see please enter your full name is nothing but description field. I will check this required field. That required field is nothing but validation. Without giving that field, user may not process further steps. Number, I selected this number. I will change the label name as mobile number. Okay, just hit on this required field. After that select email, and paragraph also I would like to select I would like to change some label text also, like please comment. Then what is happening is, you can see like this. So our contact form has been completed successfully. Here you can see settings is there. Let me see. First I would like to save this form. This form has been saved into our WP Forms repository. If I would like to use this form into my page, then what we need to do is just we need to hit on this embed page. Okay, so embed code. So what I would like to do is just come into settings. Yeah, I would like to select it and save this one. So I will come into the dashboard, just to close this one. Okay, so hit on this WP Forms. What is happening is, there you can see WP form is there. Okay, so here you can see the shortcode also be there. Just hit on WP Forms ID, copy. I would like to use that shortcode at contact page. Come into the pages and come into the contact form and select edit. What is happening is, here you can see the page page is there. I will paste that one, that shortcode like this. Okay, WP form ID is equal to 34. Just hit on update. What is happening is, this contact form is updated with the feedback form. Just come into the contact form, just refresh. What is happening is, here you can see this is the contact form. Okay, so if you hit on that submit, what is happening is, there this is the red symbol is showing there. That means it is a validation. We gave that validation required settings in our WP form settings. If I provide this name and sub mobile number is this is my mobile number, and email is gmail.com, and I am providing some comments, hi, please contact me, and hit submit. Then what is happening is, this information will be sent to my mail ID, whatever mail I provided in this contact form. So this is the successful contact form is there. Please have a look. So if I refresh this one, what is happening is, again you will see my contact form field. So come to the home page and hit on letter then hit on contact page. You can see feedback form is there. Please do practice in this WP form, then you will get some doubts. After doubts, please ping me on this messenger. I will reply you. Thank you for watching.